Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a 22 bet accounts and how to verify this site within 2 minutes. So let's start. First of all, go to Google Chrome, search for 22 bet, go to this website, click for sign up. Sorry, my net is too slow. Click for sign up. Click your name, first name, first of all your first name, then uh, your last name, then your date of birth, and also then your email address. Simply click on next. Click here, choose your country, then click here your postal code or zip code. Click on find, then next. Type your username. You can type your username here. You can type as you want, like here type your password. Click here for accepting. You can read their terms and condition for clicking here, then click on complete. Just a minute. If you want to get bonus, then click here. Your account is ready for now. You have to verify this account. Simply go to their settings, my account, just a minute friends. Here your account is temporarily suspended. In order to active your account, finish your age verification. Please provide your identification documents. So now you have to provide them your ID card, just ID card, then you will able to use 22 bet. For this for you can send their your ID card by info@22bet.net or info@22.co.uk. Simply when you mail them, simply write your username and email, then send them, and they will review your documents. You will get a notify by them within 24 hours, maximum 24 hours.